Today we are reviewing a lighting kit, and it's my most expensive lighting kit I've ever done a review on. It costs just under £270 at the time of purchase, and as always I will stick a link in the video description. And I've had to come out into my kitchen because I haven't got enough room to show it off in my studio, so I've had to come out here, so it might sound a bit echoey, I do apologise. But yeah, this is my most expensive lighting kit I've ever done a review on, and hopefully it'd be well worth the money. So with that, we'll do the unboxing and see exactly what you get for your money and set her all up and see how good she is. So I'm going to get on with it. So I've got my trusty knife out, hopefully. It comes with 2 sets of lights and stands as well. And there it is. So it comes in a nice carry bag. Okay. That is a lot of weight. That is not light. And I can't tell you how much it weighs because I haven't got scales that can check the weight. So let's see what you get for your money. First of all, you get a nice bag. And I do think it is a nice bag. Oh, it's nicely laid out. I'll quickly show you. There's a bit of room in there. Yeah, so you've got a nice bit of room there. You can put other things in if you needed to, which is a good idea actually. And you have a light, 1, and another light, 2, and 1 light can control the other light. So that is brilliant. So you don't have to keep adjusting each individual light. You can just control 1 light and it will control both. So we have electrics, 1 kit and 2 kits, so 2 sets of light power sockets, 2 power bricks with little feet on them. They're not sticky or padded or anything, they're just plastic. I will show you a close up in a minute. Two stands, yes they are stands, and is that it? I think that's it. Yeah, and that's it. So nicely padded, so great for protection. That is a nice bag. That bag is quite heavy actually, so that might have been half the weight. But you do want a nice bit of padding, and that is definitely a nice bit of padding. I'm quite impressed with that bag actually. Has it got any pockets? There's no pockets on the outside, but plenty of padding on the inside. So let's have a quick look at what you're going to get. So like I said, you get 2 sets for electrics. I won't need that one because that is a 2-pin connection, whereas we need a 3-pin connection. So move that out of the way. I'll stick that back in the bag actually. And that one. I will need that and the power brick. Very nice. Let's have a look at the lights. These are RGB lights, by the way, and they've been shrink wrapped and controlled on the back. Let's tear this off. Put that in there for now. So first impressions, they look very nice, they look very professional, and they should be for the amount of money we're going to be paying, or are paid. So yeah, easily adjustable. Nice bit of control on the back. So it says GP, channel, I take it that's the channel because obviously one will control the other one, and they take 2 batteries. You can use electrics or batteries. I might actually try it on the actual batteries as well because I have plenty of batteries that will fit that. Yeah, so first impressions, yeah, I like the look of them. I like the feel of them. Oh, it's wrong way around. Right, what I'm going to do now is I am going to get everything out, set it all up, and see what she looks like. Oh wow, oh, hang on. There's a strap, not sure what the strap does, and there's a filter to go over the screen. and obviously some instructions, which I will have to read. So I'm going to get everything out, like I said, and set it all up. Right, so it's all set up. It's quite easy to set up actually, and I've linked them up. Again, that is quite easy. All you have to do is put on whatever channel you're going to be using. So in this instance, I'm using channel 10 and I'm using group C. So they're both linked on channel 10 and group C. You can change it from A, B, C, D or F on your groups, and it goes up to 48 different channels. So if you get interference on anything, you can easily change that as well. I've got them set on 2% at the moment on brightness, just to test it out for now, and I'm going to be playing about a bit. I'm going to show you how good or how bad they are. I've already had a little play and I like them. I think they're very good. But I'm going to have a little play about it and I'm going to show you what it's like. I am using batteries at the moment. I have two batteries on each one. Quickly show you, turn it around. So 2 batteries on there and 2 batteries on that, rather than use electrics. But you can use electrics or battery. It's entirely up to you. One or the other, or you can just put the batteries on and still use the electric because you just switch over the switch. So with that, let's have a little play about and I'm going to show you some of the features. So if you just want to turn the brightness up, doesn't matter which one you use, you can either use that one or that one on adjustment and it will turn up both of them. So you turn it up and the other one will follow. As you can see, so we've got the 8%, 7, that's on 0. That's 1%. 2%, 3%. And if you want to go out in bunches of 25, you just press the 25 button. So it goes 25, 50, 75, 100. That is 100%. And then back to 0. And if you press it again, we'll go to 1. So we'll go from 1 to 25, 50, 75, 100. That's how it works. And then back down to 0 again. So that is how easy that works. What I'm going to show you now is some of the special effects it does. It does, I think, 9 special effects. I'm going to quickly go through them. And the way you do that is select mode, and you want mode FLS, and it's on SOS at the moment, so that is SOS, as you can see. I'm going to turn it up a little bit on brightness. I'm going to go for 5%, so that's 5%. So that is SOS, and then all you do is you press the button on the dial to change it to different modes, and it drops down. And we're going to go, that is lightning. It's quite good, isn't it? And then we go, oh, we have lightning 2. So I think each mode has 3 modes, if that makes sense. I believe that's how it works. And TV screen. So make out someone watching the TV, so a bit of flickering going on in the background. It might be quite good. Oh, that's police. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Ambulance. Yeah. And I put a diffuser on. I put a diffuser on that one, and I left the diffuser off on that one, just so you've got an idea of the difference and how it affects everything. So that's ambulance. What we've got next? Fire engine. That's really good, really clever, like it. RGB circle 1. No idea what that is, but that's what it says. RGB circle 1. Circle 2. I'm probably just going through colours. And back to SOS again. So that is the end of that. You also have some other modes as well. So I'm going to press mode. So CCT, and I'm going to press the button for adjusting this, and this will adjust the colour strength. So I'm going up, so that is 9,000, that is 10,000K. So that's as high as it goes, and obviously it goes right down to 2,600. So it should be a bit yellowy. Yes. Nice effect in my opinion. So that is how you do that. Now obviously that's a brightness. So let's go back to about 5 again, wouldn't it? Which is there. Turn it up to about 4, So that's 4000K, and brightness is at 5. That's on CCT, and then we're going to go, to mess about the wrong button, we're going to go to HSI. So this again is at 5%, and change the mode on that. So that's 348, and we're going right, that's 18. We're going through the colours now. These will give you all independent colours. So that's 86. Is there another adjustment? Oh right, 100%. So I can turn that down to 50. So that's about 50 on that. Go back to that. So we've got green, blue. So you can do all your independent colours, whatever colour you're looking for. You should be able to get everything you want. Should go purple. Yes, purple. So that's on 50%. We've gone past it, and that's at 359. Move that to 80, 90. That's 100% strength. And if I go right down the other way, should bring it into a more purpley or pinkish colour. That's on 0%. Yeah, so lots to play about with. You should be able to get your ideal colour, and obviously you've got some special effects to go with it. Let's see what else I can do. I think that was about it. Try different modes. Yeah, back to SOS. So you've got CCT, HSI and FLS. Like I said, plenty of options, plenty of stuff to play about with, and obviously if you don't want to use cable, you can move these about wherever you want them. Are they worth the money? If you're serious about making videos or even doing photography, you might want to invest in something like this. They're not cheap, like I said earlier, just under £270. They're not cheap, it's a lot of money. But if you're serious about making videos and even doing photography and you want a bit of colour or atmosphere, these might be the babies for you. They're not cheap, but you are getting two of everything, and they do feel like nice quality. Doesn't feel like any major sharp edges or anything like that. If there's probably one criticism, it is probably the filter. Putting that on, it just pops in these little holes in here, in the side where the flaps are, and if you want to shut it up, you have to take them out. Or you can actually shut them up, but you're bending them up a bit, which I don't like doing. So I'd rather take them off. But that is probably it. If they come up with a better solution for fitting them in, maybe a bit better. That is probably my only criticism. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.